everyone. Today I am going to express my emotions on the topic importance of emotional health for happy life. A person with positive outlook is more likely to set goals and work towards them. Nourishing yourself in a way that helps you blossom in the direction you want to go is attainable and you are worth the effort. Emotional health is determined by the amount of emotional security you feel. If you are relaxed and secure in your everyday life, you are able to maintain calm disposition and patience with yourself. You are an emotionally healthy person. Someone who is emotionally healthy has open heart, low anxiety, high self-esteem and relaxed body. In order to be emotionally healthy, you must be able to express your emotions in an assertive but healthy way. Because unexpressed emotions will never die. They are buried alive and that will come forth later in uglier ways. If you feel burnout, exhausted, demoralized, it is best for the sake of everyone to withdraw and restore yourself. Emotional health is one of the 5 dimensions of health and it is the positive mental functioning of brain. Being emotionally healthy is important to prevent depression and many other states of mental health and it leads to happy life. If I talk about me, my emotional health is not one of my best ones. I don't really show my emotions and keep it inside me. These emotions are bad and I consider emotions as a reflection on all aspects of my health. It is the ability to cope up with the issues of life. For being emotionally healthy, just be yourself and behave in a way as you are. Thank you.